Alright, everybody knows that gushers are our thing, so we're bored at the race and it's raining, so we're having a gusher eating contest. We got Mike Prega here, the defending champ. He's got an LS Mustang to build, so he said he wants $100 bucks.
Yep, gonna need it.
We're running for $100 bucks here. We got Taco, Jeremy Patterson,
Jim Weiser,
Let's go.
Rich Schulte.
Rich came in hot, so he didn't think this was real, but he said his pockets are full, and he says he's gonna eat the most. So the rules are, you have to open the package, eat it, you got 1 minute. I think I'm gonna lose.
Alright, who's got the timer? Brady?
Yeah, you got a timer?
And Brady's got the timer.
And you gotta keep your packages in your pocket so you can count it after.
First
in
annual.
your pocket.
Or in your hand somewhere. Oh yeah, wherever.
All right. So
Wherever, you got jeans on, so you can put them wherever. Just
everybody ready?
Yep.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
Not fast stairs, whoever said that
I
line.
should be better at this.
We have a number of different strategies here. Ricky, step on that package so it don't blow away. Oh god, this is terrible. Oh, who did this?
What do you think, Will?
Gushers everywhere.
I can't right now.
30 seconds.
I think we're done.
I'm ready to go.
He's cheating.
You got Gusher on the floor.
Oh, God. If he pukes, I'm going to puke.
Oh.
10 seconds. Might want to step back to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tag. I'm gonna die.
This is a whole pack. I ate 2. Now I got a handful of fucking gushers. Two whole packs.
Anybody got more than 3? You ready? You guys ready?
Yep.
Ready, set, go. Sudden death, baby.
Wow.
There's 3 different styles going on here, that's for sure. We got the shotgun, Franken's feeding it in like a tossing down his gullet.
Do it, Lizer. Come on. Wow. Way to go,
Take home the win, defending champs.
Second year defending first annual. I think we need to make a t-shirt.
First annual. That was a close.
Man, that was a good run. That was a good run.
I got diabetes.
You need a giant check.
I got a giant check. Yeah.
Hey, next time you got
Here, break up. All right, you guys all stand up and break. I'll hold the money up.
That's just too funny.
Get in front.
Okay.
Our fearless leader. Fearless leader. I'll let me hold the package, Doctor.
Yeah.